DSG Energy powers Rafiq Farms with a reliable 1.5 megawatt solar system, driving efficiency and a more sustainable future. Rafiq Farms continues to move forward with dedication, strength, and consistency. Every operation depends on consistent and reliable energy. With growing energy needs, a better solution was required. Huawei inverters ensure precision, reliability, and seamless energy management. Equipped with advanced Canadian solar panels, the system delivers reliable performance and optimized energy output. From design to installation, every step was executed with precision. Advanced technology ensures consistent performance and durability. This shift marks a move towards sustainability and energy independence. Together, Rafiq Farms and DSG Energy are building a future powered by clean, efficient, and sustainable energy. Looking to make the switch to solar energy? Visit www.dsgenergy.com.pk or contact us at 0311 137 4374.